Hi guys, welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. Please subscribe my channel. Today I have Tribit StormBox 24 watt portable Bluetooth speaker under $60. This is powerful Bluetooth speaker in this price range. 360-degree full surround sound, rich notes from all directions. Exclusive Xbass Technology, extra bass for thundering bass. IPX7 waterproof, good for pool parties, a day at the beach, and can withstand up to 30 minutes in water 3 feet deep. So this is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, rustproof, sandproof, you can say everything proof. And the battery life is 20 hours. 20 hours of playtime and single charge. 66 feet Bluetooth range. So this is indoor and outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Nice rugged material, nice. So this is volume down button. So the middle one is multifunctional button. Single press for play and pause. Double press to skip to the next song. And if you press 3 times, it skips backward to the previous song. This is volume up button. Passive radiators, on both sides. Passive radiators. Nice, so nice. So this is multifunctional use, for multifunctional use. So this is power on off button, Bluetooth pairing button, and this is X bass button, like extra bass. If you want extra bass, just turn it on, and if you don't want, you can turn it off anytime. So what's the dial right here? So right here, aux connection, and this is USB charging connection to charge the Bluetooth speaker. Nice speaker, huh? So nice. It comes in multiple colors. So nice. So let's check the performance and listen some songs. Okay, so let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker. So one more thing. So this is hands-free speakerphone also. When you receive a call while using your Bluetooth speaker, just single press this button to receive a call. And if you want to end the call, again single press this middle button to end the call. So let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker. Nice. So this is battery level indicators. So this is fully charged.
there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Line up in a bar. We shine a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. I'm moving too far, getting lost. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Said I might be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We are hating because you want, shining like it's neon, rock like Kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far, getting lost.
Wow, nice. So powerful sound with deep bass, thundering bass, 360-degree sound, 24 watts output, under $60, IPX7, 20 hours of playtime, 66 feet Bluetooth range, indoor and outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Nice. That's nice. Nice deal, huh? So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. 369 unboxing.